Hey guys, today here at Dirt Poor TV, we've got some rims on here. This is the Honda Talon X 2019. We installed some STI HD9 beadlock rims. They are chrome. They're a 7-inch rim with a 5.2 offset. If we measure the front, the width on the front from the outside edge to outside edge is 67.5 inches, and on the rear from outside edge to outside edge we're 64 inches. So we picked up a set of Quad Boss wheel spacers. Let's see if we can get focused on this. We picked them up from UTV headquarters. They're 4x137, 12 millimeter studs, 1.5 inch pitch. We're going to install these, take a measurement, see where we're at on the back, see if we can get it closer to the front. We're ready, go for it.
Don't let it hit the ground, it's too shiny.
Oh, gee.
Oh,
no.
You better turn this down. Oh, these guys are bad. YouTube blockers.
Oh.
So I like to put a little bit of thread lock on here.
Sorry.
Need my chrome socket.
What are you torquing those down to?
You're going to want to torque these down to 80 foot-pounds.
I know wheel spacers are notorious for loosening up and coming on.
Yeah, we got a buddy that pays no attention to anything we say. You want to hold that wheel over there?
Do you want to line up the HD center cap with the front one?
Yeah, that's upside down.
Yeah, you might want to. There you go.
There we go. We're going to put a little flare on it.
Uh-oh, what's going on there?
Put some spiked lug nuts on her.
Are those going to stick out farther than the bead?
No, they should be just the right size. grab that again. It don't get any prettier than that.
Now, do those have an O-ring or something to compress fit on there? They do?
They got a little rubber O-ring in them.
Boy, that's some bling bling on a side-by-side, I can tell you that.
This side-by-side is really only for parking lots and paved roads. Don't really want to get it dirty.
Which ones would look cooler on there? The spike one. I like the chrome ones better, I think.
I do the other
What are you looking for?
wheel spacers. You like the chrome ones on there,
I
Ben?
think I might. I don't know.
You gotta wait to get the property on it.
I beg. I see it already. I was gonna choose that. So that's $20. I'm gonna drop everything. My hands are all slimy.
So what if I had chrome spike plugs?
You might not be able to tell that they were chrome, they just blend in.
Yeah. I'm sure my wife will see them and tell me to take them off.
Oh, she doesn't know yet about the spike plug nuts?
She just found out about the tires and rims not too long ago. That gives all kinds of clearance over there inside that rim too.
Yeah, it does. You can fit your whole hand around there. I mean, it's really the caliper.
Yeah, the caliper's
Are you
the
filming
closest
right
thing.
now? Oh, excuse me.
You gonna hold that wheel good?
Yeah.
It's all embarrassing. Skip marks.
Forgot to grind that Maxis off the inside of that tire.
You took it off the insides too?
On this one, so now there's 3 that have one.
Did you go and just come down and hang out with us?
Well, that noise reminded me of me and Bacon and the Cutlass. Going down Mud Lane.
You're gonna come out and hang with us tomorrow.
And Kelly's gonna kill me.
JD, in a couple months, JD ain't gonna have any room in his house. He's gonna have to come down here and dig it.
He's gonna be kicked out.
Couple months ass. January 28th due date.
What? You've been hiding this for that long? What for?
We just didn't tell nobody. If you saw us, you saw us.
I haven't seen her. Apparently in 9 months. side.
Be another boy.
Yeah.
She really January
Is it?
28th.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
3 boys? 4?
This will be the fourth.
Gee, how many kids you got? This would be 6, right?
Yeah.
Fertile.
You're gonna let Ryan ride that?
I don't know.
Brittany and I laugh all the time because Vince will run around and do stuff and fall. And you hear like crashes and stuff, but then you hear, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay.
Does he say I'll buy it?
No, he doesn't say that, I do. When he's done talking, I go, I'll buy it.
Well, we'll get these front ones on and get a picture with all the lug nuts on.
So we had 67 and a half in the front. Correct?
67 and a half in the front, 64 in the rear. Oh, you got another.
We got 67 and a quarter.
So we're a quarter-inch shy,
Yeah.
which is an eighth on each side. Each side, yeah.
That's not even noticeable. If you can notice that, then you're professional.
That makes that back look a whole lot better.
It does. It makes it look a lot wider in the back here. You've got all the clearance you need around the brake calipers.
Just looks like a nice fat.
Thank you. Come on, we gotta get them spikes on the front
Yep.
and get the overall.
Can't wait. Oh, I know. At first, I thought they were.
Well, he's got the studs on, tires are on.
Well, you're scratching the paint.
I believe after he gets all the
dust on there,
scrub out of the back end, everything settles down. I think he's gonna be right on the money. 67 and a half is what it was, Bacon?
Yep, 67 and a half up front. 67 and a quarter in the back, but once it, I think it'll settle out.
I think it looked pretty good. They ain't gonna do worth a crap when you run them up against a tree or a big old rock, but
And you don't see them in parking lots and on
no, at Walmart where you take this, you're not gonna see any of that.